Today, we're diving into a wild trend that's taking over eBay and social media. iPhones with TikTok still installed are selling for thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard that right, thousands. But why? Let's break it down. TikTok's disappearance from app stores. First, let's rewind a bit. In January 2025, TikTok was temporarily banned in the US due to national security concerns. This led to the app being removed from both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. While the ban was delayed by an executive order, TikTok still hasn't returned to the app stores. This means if you deleted the app or never installed it, you're out of luck, unless you buy a phone that already has it. The eBay frenzy. Enter eBay. Sellers are capitalizing on this situation by listing iPhones with TikTok pre-installed for insane prices. We're talking $10,000 for any phone 15 Pro Max, $10,000 for any phone 15 Pro Max, $25,000 for an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and even one listing for a whopping $4.5 million. But here's the kicker: most of these listings aren't actually selling. It's more of a testing the waters situation to see how desperate people are. Why are people paying so much? So, why are people willing to pay so much? For many, TikTok isn't just an app, it's a lifestyle. Content creators, influencers, and even small businesses rely on it for income and engagement. Without access, they're cut off from their audience and revenue streams. Plus, let's be honest, TikTok's addictive algorithm has us all hooked. The idea of losing it? Terrifying. The Flappy Bird parallel. This isn't the first time we've seen something like this. Remember Flappy Bird? When the game was removed from app stores in 2014, iPhones with it installed sold for tens of thousands of dollars. History is repeating itself, but on a much larger scale because TikTok's user base is massive. Is it worth it? Now let's get real. Is it worth spending thousands on an iPhone just for TikTok? Probably not. For one, eBay requires sellers to factory reset phones before shipping, which means TikTok could be wiped. Plus, TikTok's future in the US is still up in the air. It might return to app stores soon, making these overpriced phones obsolete. What's next for TikTok? So, what's next for TikTok? The app's parent company, ByteDance, is in talks with the US government to resolve the ban. A potential sale or joint venture could bring TikTok back to app stores. Until then, the eBay frenzy continues, but it's more of a curiosity than a legitimate market. Alright, that's the scoop. Would you ever pay thousands for an iPhone with TikTok? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.